Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be learning how to do this origami rose. For this I'll be taking 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter square sheet of paper and I'll be starting with the cross crease by keeping the white side on the top. Now keep the color side on the top and create a plus crease. Now collapse the paper into water bomb base. Lift one flap and fold it as shown. Open this triangle and squash it down as a square by aligning the tip as shown. Repeat the same thing for the other side. Now lift one flap like this and create a crease. Now you can see a triangle here. Bring the tip upwards and create a crease as shown. Repeat the same steps for the other side too. Now flip the flaps like this and follow the steps. Now open the flaps like this to get a square base here, like this. Rotate the flaps to get the petals as shown. Now you can take a toothpick to curl the petals. Curl all the petals. Origami rose is done. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.